5 essential habits every wellness enthusiast needs. In a world that moves faster every year, there's one thing more important than ever: your wellness. Not just physical health, but the full spectrum: mind, body, emotions, and energy. And if you're someone who genuinely cares about your well-being, or you're stepping into a new wellness journey, there are 5 core habits you simply can't afford to skip. These habits aren't trends. They're timeless foundations practiced by some of the healthiest, calmest, and most fulfilled people in the world. And today, you're going to learn exactly what they are and how to integrate them into your daily life with ease. Let's begin. Habit 1. A consistent morning ritual. Every wellness journey starts the moment you open your eyes. Not 5 hours later, not once the day is already messy. Your morning ritual is your anchor. It doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, the best ones are simple, but consistent. A powerful morning ritual might include 2 minutes of deep breathing to center your mind, stretching to wake up your body, a glass of warm water to hydrate your system, a simple intention for the day. These tiny habits set your nervous system into a calm, focused state instead of rushing into stress mode. In the U.S., wellness experts consistently emphasize morning routines because they create discipline, clarity, and emotional stability. It's not about doing more, it's about starting right. The truth is simple. A peaceful morning leads to a peaceful day. Habit 2. Nourishing your body intentionally. Wellness isn't only about what you eat, it's about how you eat. Nourishing your body intentionally means eating foods that bring energy, not exhaustion. Drinking enough water to fuel your brain and digestion. Listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoiding processed foods that spike and crash your energy. In America, where fast food is everywhere and convenience often wins, being mindful of your nutrition is a superpower. It's a statement that your body deserves care, not shortcuts. You don't need a perfect diet, you need a connected one. Choose foods that make you feel alive. Choose meals that support your goals, your clarity, and your vitality. Food can be medicine. Food can be fuel. And food can be one of the most powerful wellness tools you have. Habit 3. Daily movement, not exercise. Movement. There's a big difference between exercising and moving your body. Exercising is a task. Movement is a lifestyle. Wellness enthusiasts don't wait for a gym session. They stay active throughout the day. Movement improves your mood, reduces anxiety, boosts immune function, and clears mental fog. Daily movement looks like a 10-minute walk after meals, stretching while working from home, yoga before bed, dancing while cooking, taking the stairs instead of the elevator. This is how you tell your body, I am alive and I am choosing to stay in motion. In the U.S., where many people sit for 8 to 10 hours daily, movement isn't optional, it's essential. Just a few minutes every hour can completely transform your energy and mindset. Move your body, and it will move your life. Habit 4. Protecting your mental space. If there is one habit that separates thriving people from overwhelmed people, it's this one. You must protect your mental space with intention. Your peace is your responsibility. This habit includes setting boundaries with negative or draining people, reducing social media consumption, avoiding constant news overload, decluttering your digital and physical space, practicing mindfulness, meditation, or silent reflection, saying no without guilt. The U.S. wellness community is extremely vocal about mental space protection because modern life is overstimulating. Notifications, emails, noise, comparison, pressure, they all crowd your mind. But you control the gates. You decide what enters your mental world. You decide what energy you allow in your life. When you protect your mental space, you reclaim your power. You return to peace. You become grounded, unshakable, and emotionally resilient. Remember, a calm mind is a powerful mind. Habit 5. Rest and recovery, the most neglected wellness habit. Here's the habit almost everyone ignores, but it might be the most important. Rest, recovery, stillness. In wellness, rest is not laziness, it's strategy. It's how your body repairs, your mind resets, and your emotions rebalance. Essential forms of rest include consistent, high-quality sleep, taking breaks during work, allowing yourself to slow down when overwhelmed, practicing quiet time with no stimulants, practicing gentle hobbies like reading or nature walks. In American culture, where productivity is often glorified over well-being, choosing rest becomes an act of self-respect. You don't need to earn rest. You deserve rest. When you allow your body and mind to recharge, everything else in life improves. Your creativity, your mood, your focus, your health. True wellness is not about how hard you